वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। बॉब स्मार्ट क्लास presents sentence by sentence translation of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, translated by Singh Sahib Sant Singh Khalsa MD and Sardar Kulbir Singh Thind MD. Part 3, page 14 to 20. एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद, one universal creator God by the grace of the true Guru. राग श्री राग महला पहला कर पहला। राग श्री राग फर्स्ट महल फर्स्ट हाउस। मोती ता मंदिर उसरे रत्नी ता होए जड़ाओ। इफ आई हैड अ पैलेस मेड ऑफ पर्ल्स इनलेड विद ज्यूज, कस्तूर कंगू अगर चंदन लीप आवे चाओ, सेंटेड विद मस्क सेफ्रोन एंड सैंडलवुड, अ sheer delight to behold. मत देख पुला विसरे तेरा चित न आवे नाओ. Seeing this, I might go astray and forget you, and your name would not enter into my mind. हर बिन ज्यों जल बल जाओ. Without the Lord, my soul is scorched and burnt. मैं अपना गुर पूछ देखिया अवर नाई था रहाओ. I consulted my Guru, and now I see that there is no other place at all. Pause. धरती ता हीरे लाल जथड़ी जड़ती पलक लाल जड़ाओ. If the floor of this palace was a mosaic of diamonds and rubies, and if my bed was encased with rubies, मोहनी मुख मणि सोहे करे रंग पसाओ, and if heavenly beauties, their faces adorned with arms, tried to entice me with sensual gesture of love. मत देख पुला विसरे तेरा चित न आवे नाओ. Seeing these, I might go astray and forget you, and your name would not enter into my mind. सिद्ध होआ सिद्ध लाई रित आखा आओ. If I were to become a siddha and work miracles, summon wealth, गुप्त प्रगट होआ बैसा लोक राखे पाओ, and become invisible and visible at will, so that people would hold me in awe. मत देख पुला विसरे तेरा चित न आवे नाओ. Seeing these, I might go astray and forget you, and your name would not enter into my mind. सुल्तान होआ मेल लश्कर तखत राखा पाओ. If I were to become an emperor and raise a huge army and sit on the throne, हुक्म हासिल करी बैठा नानका सब वाओ. Issuing commands and collecting taxes, O Nanak, all of this could pass away like a puff of wind. मत देख पुला विसरे तेरा चित न आवे नाओ. Seeing these, I might go astray and forget you, and your name would not enter into my mind. श्री राग महला पहला. श्री राग फर्स्ट महल. कोट कोठी मेरी आरजा पवन पीण अप आओ. If I could live for millions and millions of years, and if the air was my food and drink, चंद सूरज दुए गुफे ना देखा सुपने सोन न थाओ. And if I lived in a cave and never saw either the sun or the moon, and if I never slept even in dreams, भी तेरी कीमत ना पवे हो केवड़ आखा नाओ. Even so, I could not estimate your value. How can I describe the greatness of your name? Sacha Nirankar Nij Thai. The true Lord, the formless one, is himself in his own place. सुन सुन आखण आखना जे पावे करे तमाए रहाओ. I have heard over and over again, and so I tell the tale. As it pleases you, Lord, please instill within me the yearning for you. Pause. कुसा कटाया वार वार पीसन पीसा पाए. If I was slashed and cut into pieces over and over again and put into the mill and ground into flour, अग्गी सेती जालिया भस्म सेती रल जाओ, burned by fire and mixed with ashes, भी तेरी कीमत ना पवे हो केवड़ आखा नाओ. Even then I could not estimate your value. How can I describe the greatness of your name? पंखी होए क्या जे पवा से आसमानी जाओ. If I was a bird soaring and flying through hundreds of heavens, नदरी किसे न आव्यो ना किछ पिया न खाओ, and if I was invisible, neither eating nor drinking anything, भी तेरी कीमत ना पवे हो केवड़ आखा नाओ. Even so, I could not estimate your value. How can I describe the greatness of your name? नानक कागद लख मणा पढ़ पढ़ खींचे पाओ. O Nanak, if I had hundreds of thousands of stacks of paper, and if I were to read and recite and embrace love for the Lord, मसु कोट न आवई लेखन पाउण चलाओ. And if ink were never to fail me, and if my pen were able to move like the wind, भी तेरी कीमत ना पवे हो केवड़ आखा नाओ. Even so, I could not estimate your value. How can I describe the greatness of your name? श्री राग महला पहला. श्री राग फर्स्ट महल. लेखे बोलन बोलना लेखे खाना खाओ. As it is preordained, people speak their words. As it is preordained, they consume their food. लेखे वाट चलाया लेखे सुन विखाओ. As it is preordained, they walk along the wind. They walk along the way. As it is preordained, they see and hear. लेखे साह लवाया पढ़े के पूछन जाओ. As it is preordained, they draw their breath. Why should I go and ask the scholars about this? Baba, Maya rachna to. O Baba, the splendor of Maya is deceptive. Andhe naam visarya, na tis e na o. Rahao, the blind man has forgotten the name. He is in limbo, neither here nor there. Pause. Jeevan marna jai ke ethe khaje kal. Life and death come to all who are born. Everything here gets devoured by death. जिथे बै समझाइए तिथे कोई न चले नाल. He sits and examines the accounts there where no one goes along with anyone. रोवन वाले जेठड़े सब बने पंड पराल. Those who weep and wail might just as well all tie bundles of straw. सबको आखे बहुत बहुत कट न आखे कोई. Everyone says that God is the greatest of the great. No one calls him any less. कीमत किने न पाया कहन न बड़ा होए. No one can estimate his worth. By speaking of him, his greatness is not increased. साचा साहेब एक तू होर जिया केते लो. You are the one true Lord and Master of all the other beings of so many worlds. नीचा अंदर नीच जात नीची हो अथ नीच. नानक तिन के संग साथ वड्या स्यों क्या रीस. Nanak seeks the company of the lowest of the low class, the very lowest of the low. Why should he try to compete with the great? जिथे नीच संभालियन तिथे नदर तेरी बख्शीस. In that place where the lowly are cared for, there the blessings of your glance of grace rain down. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. Lab kutta kood chuda thag khada murdar. Greed is a dog, falsehood is the filthy street sweeper, cheating is eating a rotting carcass. Par ninda par mal mukh sudhi agan krodh chandal. Slandering others is putting the filth of others into your own mouth. The fire of anger is the outcast who burns dead bodies at the crematorium. Raskas आप सलाहना ए करम मेरे करतार. I am caught in these tastes and flavors, and in self-conceited praise. These are my actions, O my Creator. Baba बोलिए पत होए. O Baba, speak only that which will bring you honor. उत्तम से दर उत्तम कहिए नीच करम बै रोए रहाओ. They alone are good who are judged good at the Lord's door. Those with bad karma can only sit and weep. Pause. Ras swayana ras rupa kaman ras parmal ki vas. The pleasures of gold and silver, the pleasures of women, the pleasures of fragrance of sandalwood. Ras kode, ras seja, mandir ras mita, ras mas. The pleasure of horses, the pleasure of soft bed in a palace, the pleasure of sweet treats, and the pleasure of hearty meals. Ete ras sarir ke kat naam nivas. These pleasures of the human body are so numerous, how can the name of the Lord, find its dwelling in the heart? Jit boliye, pat paye, so boliye parvan. Those words are acceptable which, when spoken, bring honor. Fikka bol viguchda, sun murak man ajan. Harsh words bring only grief. Listen, O foolish and ignorant mind. Jyotis pave se pale hor ke kahan vakhan. Those who are pleasing to him are good. What else is there to be said? Tin mat, tin pat, tin tan, pale, jin hirde reha samay. Wisdom, honor, and wealth are in the laps of those whose hearts remain premated with the Lord. Tinka kiya salahana our swalyo kai. What praise can be offered to them? What other ornaments can be bestowed upon them? Nanak nadri bahre rache dan nanai. O Nanak, those who lack the Lord's glance of grace cherish neither charity nor the Lord's name. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla, Sri Rag First Mahal. Amal Galola Kood Ka Ditta Devan Har. The great giver has given the intoxicating drug of falsehood. Mati Maran Visarya Khusi Kiti Din Char. The people are intoxicated, they have forgotten death, and they have fun for a few days. Such milya tin Sophia Rakhan ko darbar. Those who do not use intoxicants are true, they dwell in the court of the Lord. Nanak sache ko sach jaan. O Nanak, know the true Lord as true. Jit sevya sukh paiye teri darge chale maan rahao. Serving him, peace is obtained. You shall go to his court with honor. Pause. Sach sara gad pahra, jis which sacha now. The wine of truth is not fermented from molasses. The true name is contained within it. Sune vakhane jetre ho tin balhare jao. I am a sacrifice to those who hear and chant the true name. Ta man khiwa janiye ja mehli pae thao. Only one who obtains a room in the mention of the Lord's presence is deemed to be truly intoxicated. Now near Changyaya Sat Parmal Tanvas. Bath in the waters of goodness and apply the scented oil of truth to your body. Ta mukh hove ujla lakh dati ikdat, and your face shall become radiant. This is the gift of 100,000 gifts. Dukh tise pe akhye sukh tise hi paas. Tell your troubles to the one who is the source of all comfort. So kyo manovisarye jaake ji pran. How can you forget the one who created your soul and the prana, the breath of life? This wind sab apavitra hai, jeta panan khan. Without him, all that we wear and eat is impure. Hor gala sab kuriyan tud pave parvan. Everything else is false. Whatever pleases your will is acceptable. Sri Rag Mahal Pehla, Sri Rag First Mahal. Jal moh kasmas kar mat kagad kar sar. Burn emotional attachment and grind it into ink. Transform your intelligence into the purest of paper. Pao kalam kar chit likhari, gur puch likh vichar. Make the love of the Lord your pen and let your consciousness be the scribe. Then seek the Guru's instructions and record these deliberations. Likh Naam Sala, Likh Antna Paravar. Write the praises of the Naam, the name of the Lord. Write over and over again that He has no end or limitation. Baba, A Lekha Likh Jaan. O Baba, write such an account. Jithe Lekha Mangiye, Tithe Hoye Sacha Nisan Rahao. That when it is asked for, it will bring the mark of truth. Pause. Jithe Mile Vadiyayan Sat Khusiyan Sat Chao. there where greatness, eternal peace, and everlasting joy are bestowed. Tin mukh tike nikle jin man sacha. Now the faces of those whose minds are attuned to the true name are anointed with the mark of grace. Karam mile tapaye nahi gali wow duao. If one receives God's grace, then such honors are received, and not by mere words. Ik aave ik jaye, ut rakhiye naam salar. Some come and some arise and depart, they give themselves lofty names. Ik upaye mangte, ik na vade darbar. Some are born beggars and some hold vast courts. Agge gya janiye vin naame bekar. Going to the world hereafter, everyone shall realize that without the name it is all useless. Peh tere dar agla khap khap chije de. I am terrified by the fear of you, God, bothered and beloved. My body is wasting away. Now Jina Sultan Khan Honde Diteke. Those who are known as sultans and emperors shall be reduced to dust in the end. Nanak uthi chaliye sab kude tutte ne. O Nanak, arising and departing, all false attachments are cut away. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag first Mahal. Sab ras mithe maniye sune salahune. Believing all tastes are sweet, hearing the salty flavors are tasted. Khat tursi mukh bolna maran naad kiye. Chanting with one's mouth, the spicy flavors are savored. All these spices have been made from the sound current of naad. Chatti amrit pao ek ja ko nadar kare. The 36 flavors of ambrosial nectar are in the love of the one Lord. They are tasted only by one who is blessed by his glance of grace. Baba hor khana khushi khwar. O Baba, the pleasures of other foods are false. Jit khade tan piyede man mein chale vikar rahao. Eating them, the body is ruined and wickedness and corruption enter into the mind. Pause. Rata Panan Man Rata Subeti Sattan. My mind is imbued with the Lord's love. It is dyed a deep crimson. Truth and charity are my white clothes. Neeli Siyahi Kada Karni Pehran Per Tyan. The blackness of sin is erased by my wearing of blue clothes, and meditation on the Lord's lotus feet is my robe of honor. Kamar Band Santokh Ka Tan Joban Tera Naam. Contentment is my kamarband, your name is my wealth and youth. Baba, hor panan khushi khwar. O Baba, the pleasures of other clothes are false. Jit paide tan piyade man mein chale vikar. Rahao, wearing them, the body is ruined and wickedness and corruption enter into the mind. Pause. Kode pakhar sue ne sakat bujan teri wat. The understanding of your way, Lord, is horses, saddles, and bags of gold for me. Tarkas tir command, sang tegband gundat. The pursuit of virtue is my bow and arrow, my quiver, sword and scabbard. Vaja neja pat syo pargat karam tera meri jaat. To be distinguished with honor is my drum and banner, your mercy is my social status. Baba, hor charana khushi khwar. O Baba, the pleasures of other rides are false. Jit chadiye tan piyade man mein chale bekar rahao. By such rides, the body is ruined and wickedness and corruption enter into the mind. Pause. Kar mandar khushi naam ki nadar teri parvar. The name of the Lord, is the pleasure of houses and mansions. Your glance of grace is my family, Lord. Hukam soi tud pavsi hor akhand bahut apar. The hukam of your command is the pleasure of your will, Lord. To say anything else is far beyond anyone's reach. Nanak Sacha Padshah Pooch na kare bichar. O Nanak, The true king does not seek advice from anyone else in his decisions. Baba, hor sona khusi khwar. O Baba, the pleasure of other sleep is false. Jit sutte tan piyade man mein chale vikar. Rahao. By such sleep, the body is ruined and wickedness and corruption enter into the mind. Pause. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. कंगू की काया रत्ना की ललिता अगर वास तन सास with the body of saffron and the tongue a jewel and the breath of the body pure fragrant incense. 68 तीरथ का मुख टिका तित कट मत विगास. With the face anointed at the 68 holy places of pilgrimage and the heart illuminated with wisdom, Ot Mati Salahana Sach Naam Guntas. With that wisdom, chant the praises of the true name, the treasure of excellence. Baba, hor mat hor hor. O Baba, other wisdom is useless and irrelevant. Jesyo ver kamaya kude kuda jo rahao. If falsehood is practiced 100 times, it is still false in its effects. Pause. Pooj lage peer aakhiye sab mile sansar. You may be worshipped and adored as a peer, a spiritual teacher. You may be welcomed by all the world. Now sadai apna hove sid sumar. You may adopt a lofty name and be known to have supernatural spiritual powers. Jaan pat lekhe na pave sabha pooj khwar. Even so, if you are not accepted in the court of the Lord, then all this adoration is false. Jinko Satgur thapya tin met na sake koe. No one can overthrow those who have been established by the true Guru. Ona andar naam nidhan hai, namo pragat hoye. The treasure of the naam, the name of the Lord, is within them, and through the naam they are radiant and famous. Now pujiye, now maniye, akhand sada sach soye. They worship the naam and they believe in the naam. The true one is forever intact and unbroken. Kehu ke relaye ta jyo keha hoye. When the body mingles with dust, what happens to the soul? Jalya sab syanpa uthi chalya roe. All clever tricks are burnt away and you shall depart crying. Nanak naam visare dar gya kya hoye. O Nanak, those who forget the naam, what will happen when they go to the court of the Lord? Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. Gunvanti Gun Vithre. O Gunvanti Chur. The virtuous wife exudes virtue and the unvirtuous suffer in misery. Je lode var kamni nar milye pir kur. If you long for your husband Lord, O soul bride, you must know that he is not met by falsehood. Na bedi, na tulhada, na paye pir dur. No boat or raft can take you to him. Your husband Lord is far away. Mere Thakur pure takhat adol. My Lord and Master is perfect. His throne is eternal and immovable. Gurmukh Pura Je Kare Paye Sach Atol Rahao. One who attains perfection as Gurmukh obtains the immeasurable true Lord. Pause. Prabh Harmandir Sohna Tis Mein Manak Lal Moti Hira Nirmala Kanchan Kot Risal. The palace of the Lord God is so beautiful. Within it there are gems, rubies, pearls, and flawless diamonds. A fortress of gold surrounds this source of nectar. Bin podi gadkyon chadyo gur har tyan nihal. How can I climb up to the fortress without a ladder? By meditating on the Lord through the Guru, I am blessed and exalted. Gur podi bedi guru gur tulha har now. The Guru is the ladder, the Guru is the boat, and the Guru is the raft to take me to the Lord's name. Gur sar sagar boitho Gur Tirath Daryao. The Guru is the boat to carry me across the world ocean. The Guru is the sacred shrine of pilgrimage. The Guru is the holy river. Jetis Pave Ujli Sat Sar Navan Jao. If it pleases him, I bathe in the pool of truth and become radiant and pure. Puro Puro Akhiye Pure Takhat Nivas. He is called the most perfect of the perfect. He sits upon his perfect throne. Pure Than Sohavne Pure As Niras. He looks so beautiful in his perfect place. He fulfills the hopes of the hopeless. Nanak Pura Je Mile Kyon Kate Guntas. O Nanak, if one obtains the perfect Lord, how can his virtues decrease? Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. Avo Pehne Gal Mile Ank Sahelriya. Come, my dear sisters and spiritual companions, hug me close in your embrace. मिल के करे कहानियाँ समृत कंत किहा. Let's join together and tell stories of our all-powerful husband Lord. Sache Sahib Sab Gun Ogun Sab Asa. All virtues are in our true Lord and Master. We are utterly without virtue. Karta sabko tere jor. O Creator Lord, all are in your power. एक शब्द विचारिए जा तू ता क्या होर रहाओ. I dwell upon the one word of the Shabad. You are mine, what else do I need? Pause. जाए पुछो सोहागणी तुसी राव्या किनी गुणी. Go and ask the happy soul brides, by what virtuous qualities do you enjoy your husband Lord? सहज संतोख सिगारिया मिठा बोलनी. We are adorned with intuitive ease, contentment, and sweet words. Pir risalu ta mile ja gur ka sabad suni. We meet with our beloved, the source of joy, when we listen to the word of the Guru's Shabad. Ketya terya kudrati kevad teri daat. You have so many creative powers, Lord. Your bountiful blessings are so great. Kete tere ji jant sifat Kare din raat. So many of your beings and creatures praise your day and night. Kete tere roop rang, kete jaat ajat. You have so many forms and colors, so many classes high and low. Such mile, such upje, such mein sach samay. Meeting the true one, truth wells up. The truthful are absorbed into the true Lord. Surat hove Pat ugve gur bachni pao khai. Intuitive understanding is obtained and one is welcomed with honor through the Guru's word, filled with the fear of God. Nanak Sacha Patsa Ape Le Milai. O Nanak, the true King absorbs us into himself. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. Pai Sari Ji Ubri Home Mui Garao. It all worked out. I was saved, and the egotism within my heart was subdued. दूत लगे फिर चाकरी सतगुर का विसाव. The evil energies have been made to serve me since I placed my faith in the true Guru. कल्प त्यागी बाद है सच्चा बेपरवाह. I have renounced my useless schemes by the grace of the true carefree Lord. Man re sach mile pau jaye. O mind, meeting with the true one, fear departs. Pabin nirpo kyon thiye gurmukh sabad samay rahao. Without the fear of God, how can anyone become fearless? Become Gurmukh and immerse yourself in the Shabad. Pause. Keta akhan akhiye, akhan tot na hoye. How can we describe him with words? There is no end to the descriptions of him. Mangan wale ketle datta eko soe. There are so many beggars, but he is the only giver. जिसके जी प्राण है मन वस्या सुख होए. He is the giver of the soul and the prana, the breath of life. When he dwells within the mind, there is peace. जग सपना बाजी बनी खिन में खेल खिलाए. The world is a drama staged in a dream. In a moment the play is played out. संजोगी मिल एक से विजोगी उठ जाए. Some attain union with the Lord while others depart in separation. ज्योतिष पाणा सोथिए अवर न करना जाए. Whatever pleases him comes to pass, nothing else can be done. गुरमुख वस्त विसाहिए सच वखर सच रास. The Gurmukhs purchase the genuine article. The true merchandise is purchased with the true capital. Jinni such vananjia gurpure sabas. Those who purchase this true merchandise through the perfect Guru are blessed. Nanak vast pachansi such soda jis paas. O Nanak, one who stocks this true merchandise shall recognize and realize the genuine article. Sri Rag Mahal Pehla, Sri Rag First Mahal. दात मिले फुन दात को सिफती सिफत समाए. As metal merges with metal, those who chant the praises of the Lord are absorbed into the praiseworthy Lord. Lal Gulal Gehbara Sacha Rang Chadao. Like the poppies, they are dyed in the deep crimson color of truthfulness. Such mile santokhiya har jap eke paye. Those contented souls who meditate on the Lord with single-minded love meet the true Lord. Pai re sant jana ki rain. O siblings of destiny, become the dust of the feet of the humble saints. Sant Sabha Gur Paye Mukat Padarat Den. Rahau, in the society of saints the Guru is found. He is the treasure of liberation, the source of all good fortune. Pause. Ucho Than Suhavana Upar Mahal Murar. Upon that highest plane of sublime beauty stands the mention of the Lord. Such Karni De Paiye Dar Kar Mahal Pyar. By true actions, this human body is obtained, and the door within ourselves, which leads to the mention of the Beloved, is found. Gurmukh man samjhaiye Atam Ram Vichar. The Gurmukhs train their minds to contemplate the Lord, the Supreme Soul. Tribhad Karam Kamaiye As Andesa Hoy. By actions committed under the influence of the three qualities, hope and anxiety are produced. क्यों गुर बिन त्रिकुटी छूट सी सहज मिले sukh hoye. Without the Guru, how can anyone be released from these three qualities? Through intuitive wisdom, we meet with him and find peace. Nij kar mahal pachhaniye, nadar kare maltoe. Within the home of the self, the mention of his presence is realized when he bestows his glance of grace and washes away our pollution. Bin gur mail na utre, bin har kyon karwas. Without the Guru, this pollution is not removed. Without the Lord, how can there be any homecoming? Eko Sabad Vichariye Avar Tyage As. Contemplate the one word of the Shabad and abandon other hopes. Nanak dekh dikhaiye ho sad balihare jas. O Nanak, I am forever a sacrifice to the one who beholds and inspires others to behold him. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla, Sri Rag First Mahal. Trig Jivan Dohagani Muthi Tuje Paye. The life of the discarded bride is cursed. She is deceived by the love of duality. Color keri kant jio ehnis kar te paye. Like a wall of sand, day and night she crumbles and eventually she breaks down altogether. Bin sabde sukh na thiye, pir bin dukh na jaye. Without the word of the Shabad, peace does not come. Without her husband, Lord, her suffering does not end. Mundhe pir bin kya sigar. O soul bride, without your husband, Lord, what good are your decorations? Darkar टोई ना लहे दरगे चूट खुआर रहाओ. In this world you shall not find any shelter. In the world hereafter, being false, you shall suffer. Pause. आप सुजान ना पुलई सच्चा वड किरसान. The true Lord Himself knows all. He makes no mistakes. He is the great farmer of the universe. पहला तरती साध के सच नाम दे दान. First he prepares the ground and then he plants the seed of the true name. No nit upje naam ek karam pave nisan. The 9 treasures are produced from name of the Lord. By His grace we obtain His banner and insignia. गुर को जान ना जाने क्या तिस जज आचार. Some are very knowledgeable, but if they do not know the Guru, then what is the use of their lives? Andhule naam visarya manmukh andgubar. The blind have forgotten the name of the Lord. The self-willed manmukhs are in utter darkness. आवन जान ना चुकई मर जन्मे होए खुआर. Their comings and goings in reincarnation do not end. Through death and rebirth they are wasting away. चंदन मोल अड़ाया कंगू मांग संदूर. The bride may buy sandalwood, oil and perfumes and apply them in great quantities to her hair. चोआ चंदन बो कड़ा पाना नाल कपूर. She may sweeten her breath with bitter leaf and camphor. जे तन कंत न पावे ता सब अडंबर कूड़. But if this bride is not pleasing to her husband Lord, then all these trappings are false. सब रस पोगन बाद है सब सिगार विकार. Her enjoyment of all pleasures is futile and all her decorations are corrupt. जब लाग सबद ना पेतिया क्यों सोहे गुर द्वार. Until she has been pierced through with the Shabad, how can she look beautiful at Guru's gate? Nanak tan sohagni jin se naal pyar. O Nanak, blessed is that fortunate bride who is in love with her husband Lord. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. Sunji de Dravani jaan jiyo vicho jaye. The empty body is dreadful when the soul goes out from within. Pahe bandli vinji to na niksyon kai. The burning fire of life is extinguished and the smoke of the breath no longer emerges. Panche rune dukh pare binse duje paye. The 5 relatives, the senses, weep and wail painfully and waste away through the love of duality. Mure Ram Japo Gunsar. You fool, chant the name of the Lord and preserve your virtue. Home Mamta Mohni Sab Muthi Ahankar Rahao. Egotism and possessiveness are very enticing. Egotistical pride has plundered everyone. Pause. Jinni Naam Visarya Duji Kare Lag. Those who have forgotten the name of the Lord, are attached to affairs of duality. Dubda lage pach mue antar trisna ag. Attached to duality, they putrefy and die. They are filled with the fire of desire within. Gurmukh rakhe se ubre hor muthi tande thag. Those who are protected by the Guru are saved. All others are cheated and plundered by deceitful worldly affairs. Mui preet pyar gya mua vair virod. Love dies and affection vanishes. Hatred and alienation die. Tanda thakka ho mui mamta maya krodh. Entanglements end and egotism dies, along with attachment to maya, possessiveness and anger. Karam mile sach paya gurmukh sada nirod. Those who receive His mercy obtain the True One. The Gurmukhs dwell forever in balanced restraint. Sachi kare sach mile gurmat palle pai. By true actions the true Lord is met and the Guru's teachings are found. So nar jame na mare na ave na jaye. then they are not subject to the birth and death. They do not come and go in reincarnation. नानक दर प्रदान सो दर के पैदा जाए. O Nanak, they are respected at the Lord's gate. They are robbed in honor in the court of the Lord. Sri Rag Mahal Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. तन जल बल माटी प्या मन माया मोह मनूर. The body is burnt to ashes by its love of Maya. The mind is rusted through. अवगुण फिर लागू पे खूर वजावे तूर. Demerits become one's enemies and falsehood blows the bugle of attack. Bin sabde parmaya dubda dobe pur. Without the word of the Shabad, people wander lost in reincarnation. Through the love of the duality, multitudes have been drowned. Man re sabad taro chit lae. O mind, swim across by focusing your consciousness on the Shabad. जिन गुरमुख नाम न बूझिया मर जन्मे आवे जाए रहाओ. Those who do not become Gurmukh do not understand the Naam. They die and continue coming and going in reincarnation. Pause. Tan sucha so आखिए जिसमें साचा now. That body is said to be pure in which the true name abides. पै सच राति देहुरी जेवा सच स्वाओ. One whose body is imbued with the fear of the True One and whose tongue savors truthfulness. Sachi nadar nihaliye bohor na pave tao is brought to ecstasy by the true Lord's glance of grace. That person does not have to go through the fire of worm again. Sache te pavna pya pavne te jal hoye. From the true Lord came the air and from the air came water. जल ते त्रिपवन साजया कट कट जोत समोए. From water he created the three worlds. In each and every heart he infused his light. Nirmal mela na thiye sabad rate pat hoye. The immaculate Lord does not become polluted. Attuned to the Shabad, honor is obtained. E man saaj santokhya nadar kare tismaye. One whose mind is contented with truthfulness is blessed with the Lord's glance of grace. Panch Bhut Sach Pe Rate Jot Sachi Manmay. The body of the five elements is dyed in the fear of the True One. The mind is filled with the true light. Nanak O Gun Visre Gur Rakhe Pattaye. O Nanak, your demerits shall be forgotten. The Guru shall preserve your honor. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla. Sri Rag First Mahal. Nanak Pedi Sach Ki Tariye Gur Vichar. O Nanak, the boat of truth will ferry you across. Contemplate the Guru. Ik aave, ik javahi, poor pare ahankar. Some come and some go. They are totally filled with egotism. Manhat mati budya gurmukh sach sutar. Through stubborn mindedness, the intellect is drowned. One who becomes Gurmukh and truthful is saved. Gurbin kyo tariye sukh hoye. Without the Guru, how can anyone swim across to find peace? ज्यों पावे त्यों राख तू मैं अवर न दूजा कोय रहाओ. As it pleases you, Lord, you save me. There is no other for me at all. Pause. आगे देखो टोप जले पाछे हर्यो अंगूर. In front of me I see the jungle burning. Behind me I see green plants sprouting. जिसते उपजे तिस ते बिनसे कट कट सच भरपूर. We shall merge into the one from whom we came. The true one is pervading each and every heart. Ape mein milawahi sache mahal hadur. He himself unites us in union with himself. The true mention of his presence is close at hand. Sahe sahe tuj samala kade na visaryo. With each and every breath I dwell upon you. I shall never forget you. ज्यों ज्यों साहिब मन वसे गुरमुख अमृत प्यो. The more the Lord and Master dwells within the mind, the more the Gurmukh drinks in the ambrosial nectar. Mantan tera tu tadi garab nivar sameo. Mind and body are yours, and you are my master. Please right me of my pride and let me merge with you. Jin e jagat upaya tripavan kar akar. The one who formed this universe created the creation of the three worlds. Gurmukh chanan janiye manmukh mugat gubar. The Gurmukh knows the divine light, while the foolish self-willed Manmukh groups around in the darkness. Katkat Jot Nirantari Buje Gurmukh Sar. One who sees that light within each and every heart understands the essence of the Guru's teachings. Gurmukh Jini Janiye Tin Kiche Sabas. Those who understand our Gurmukh recognize and applaud them. Sache Seti Ral Mile Sache Gun Pragas. They meet and merge with the True One. They become the radiant manifestation of the excellence of the True One. Nanak Naam Santokhiya Jyo Pind Prapas. O Nanak, they are contented with the Naam, the name of the Lord. They offered their bodies and souls to God. Sri Rag Mahalla Pehla, Sri Rag First Mahal. Sun Man Mitra Pyarya Mil Vela Hai A. Listen, O my mind, my friend, my darling, now it is the time to meet the Lord. Jab lag joban saas hai, tab lag a tande. As long as there is youth and breath, give this body to him. Bin gun kam na avai, ter deri tand khe. Without virtue, it is useless, the body shall crumble into a pile of dust. Mere man le laha kar jaye. O my mind, earn the profit before you return home. Gurmukh naam salahiye home nivri paye. Rahao. The Gurmukh praises the Naam and the fire of egotism is extinguished. Pause. Sun sun gandan gandiye lik pad buje par. Again and again we hear and tell stories, we read and write and understand loads of knowledge. Trishna ehnis agli home rog vikar. But still desires increase day and night, and the disease of egotism fills us with corruption. O ve parvao atolva gurmat kimat sar. That carefree Lord cannot be appraised. His real value is known only through the wisdom of the Guru's teachings. Lak syanap je kari lak syon preet milap. Even if someone has hundreds of thousands of clever mental tricks, and the love and the company of hundreds of thousands of people, bin sangat sadhna trapya bin nave dukh santap, still without the sangat, the company of the holy, he will not feel satisfied. Without the name, all suffer in sorrow. Har jap jiere chutye Gurmukh chine aap. Chanting the name of the Lord, O my soul, you shall be emancipated. As Gurmukh, you shall come to understand your own self. Tan man gur pe vechya man dya sirnal. I have sold my body and mind to the Guru, and I have given my mind and head as well. Tripavan khoj dandolya Gurmukh khoj nihal. I was seeking and searching for him throughout the three worlds. Then, as Gurmukh, I sought and found him. Satgur mel milaya Nanak so prabnal. The true Guru has united me in union, O Nanak, with that God.